Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the switch and selecting your user profile. This ensures changes apply to the right account. Next, open System Settings from the Home menu, move down the left column until you hit User. Tap or press on your account to enter privacy-related options. Once done, you'll be in the right place to manage sharing and visibility. This first step guarantees you don't change settings for someone else, and it prepares the console to access privacy controls quickly. Now select Privacy Settings and review each category. You'll see options for sharing activity, screenshots, voice chat, and who can find or add you. Change visibility to friends, friends of friends, or no one depending on your comfort level. Toggle data sharing with Nintendo off if you want less telemetry. Make sure to confirm each selection with A. Some choices apply immediately, while others require the console to sync. This middle section is where you shape how others interact. Finish by saving changes and testing them using another account or a guest profile to confirm visibility and chat restrictions work as expected. If settings don't appear to apply, restart the console and reopen privacy settings to recheck. Sometimes a reboot resolves sync issues. If you need stricter limits, use the Parental Controls app to enforce restrictions remotely. Remember, if something still fails, update system firmware. Outdated software can prevent new privacy features from functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.